going on, YouTube family? Garrett back with another video. We are going on a road trip, a slight road trip. We are heading about 2 hours up north. I got to go up north to actually pick up my quad from my parents' place up there that I have it at, to bring it down because I'm going camping this weekend. So I thought, why not turn this day, instead of wasting it just driving up there to pick up this quad, why don't we hit some stores while we're up there and on the way? So we're going to head up there now. It's about a 2-hour drive. In the middle, about an hour, halfway to Flagstaff, there's some outlets called the Anthem Outlets. I'm going to stop there, check out Nike, see what they have. I haven't been there in months, so I want to see if they have anything good. And then we're going to head up north, hit a Marshall's, hit a Ross, and maybe some Walmart. So let's freaking go. Guys, just pulled up at Nike. My camera's about to die, so I'll be filming on my phone for the rest of the day, but we're gonna head on in and see what we can find. Let's go. So if you guys can't tell, the racks were pretty empty at the Nike outlets. They've been having a ton of supply chain issues, so there wasn't any sales or really anything crazy. They had some shoes that I definitely would have taken if they had the 30% off to sell on either eBay or GOAT. But most of these shoes were marked full price, no discount. Like these 90 Air Maxes, the Jim Lees, I forget what they're called, but I picked those up at the Nike clearance outlet for like $100. This one was full price at like $180. All these shoes in the aisle, kind of priced high. Some Kyrie's, just ugly colors, were priced at $69. But a lot of these shoes, there just wasn't a ton of margin. These Mike Trout cleats were going decently well, not the best rank, but there just really wasn't a lot of stuff, especially trying to make money when you're not getting any discount off of these kind of already high prices for the Nike factory store. It's especially on Amazon with the high return rates, it's just not that easy to make safe buys. So I kind of limited myself to what I purchased. But there's some Air Forces. If these were at a discount, there probably would have been some money to be made. Unfortunately, there wasn't no discount. All right, guys, we picked up 5 pairs of these Mike Trout cleats, baseball cleats, for $29.97 each. They're going for about 80 bucks on Amazon. 76,000 ranking shoes, so not the fastest seller, but they will sell. Most of Mike Trout's stuff sells very well. So we got 5 pairs of the cleats. We got about 3 pairs of these women's Winflows, 4 pairs actually, for $49. They're going for $100, so make about $25 profit on these. And lastly, we picked up about another 3 pairs of these women's downshifters, all white, for, I think we paid $34.97. These are going for like $75.80 at the moment, so we're gonna make a good $25 profit on these as well. All right, guys, so we spent about $450 at the first stop at Nike. We got about an hour and a half of driving left to do till we get to Flagstaff, but I don't know if you guys could see in there how empty it is. I mean, every Nike location, I don't know about your guys' areas, but here in Arizona, they've been getting no product. The manager here I'm pretty good friends with, and he said they literally have no stock for shoes left in the back. I kind of asked him what the issue's been. He said literally just there's import problems. A lot of companies are experiencing it. There's just ships out in the ocean just literally sitting there with millions and millions and millions of dollars of Nike product that's just been sitting out in the middle of the ocean. So hopefully stuff starts getting back to normal soon. Like Nike, during the whole crap that's been going on the last year, literally has sucked. They've had no sales. Usually at least on the back wall, there's always like 20% off, 30% off. They've had none of that, no clothing discounts, no shoe discounts. So it's very slim pickings, but I'm glad we were able to pick up 450 bucks worth of stuff, make a couple extra $100 to start this little road trip. So let's not waste any more time. We got some driving to do, so let's get to it. Made a quick stop here in Camp Verde, Arizona, pretty much in the middle of nowhere. Had to pick up a little energy drink. Super tired. I don't know, something about driving makes me tired. So made a quick stop, but we are about 50 minutes to an hour away from Marshall's. Let's go. We are here. Finally. I hate driving, but we are just pulling up to Marshall's up here in Flagstaff, Arizona. Let's go. All right, guys, so just left Marshall's. Unfortunately, wasn't getting the best phone service in there, so I couldn't really look stuff up. So I just blind bought a few items. I bought this Polo Ralph Lauren 3-pack plain t-shirts. $12. They're going for $34. I've sold these tons of times on Amazon, so I kind of knew that there were money at that price point. Gonna make probably at least 12 bucks on these. And then I just got 5 sets of these Adidas socks for $6. Not the best rank. They're going for about $23 for a 6-pack. Picked up again 5 of these, so I'm gonna make about $8 profit. So 40 profit plus 12, we're only gonna make about 50 to 60 bucks profit just from this stop. Probably could have made a lot more if I could have researched the items, because no cell service up north here, but gotta do what you gotta do. There's actually a mall right here, and sometimes the malls in the middle of like smaller towns, they have like Foot Lockers that have a lot better shoes and big markdowns. So we're gonna stop by there, see if we can find any shoes to flip. So let's head over there now. Well, nothing at the mall here, so we're gonna head to Ross. Let's not waste any more time. We're gonna head to Ross. I thought there was a Burlington coat factory up here. It's not showing up online, so I'm gonna see if I can find it, and if there is one, I'll stop there, but we're definitely gonna hit Ross, and then we're gonna go pick up this bike and head back to the valley. Just arrived at Ross. This is probably gonna be the last store, so I hope we hit it big. So I started off checking out the shoe section, seeing if there's anything to flip on GOAT or eBay. Always check the sandals. If you're ungated on Amazon, they sell extremely well. These were selling pretty good rank. Unfortunately, they didn't have a tag on them, and they were quite dirty, so I put them back. But Adidas slides, Nike slides, all types of slides, especially going into summer right now, hot sellers. We also didn't really find any crazy sneakers for the most part, but sometimes you'll run into it. It's either hit or miss. Sometimes Ross gets flooded with a ton of really good sneakers to flip on GOAT and eBay. So that's kind of my side hustle right now that I've been doing for fun. So I was just checking out this section, seeing what I could find. Next, we made our way over to the baby section. This is a brand I oftentimes find some pretty decent items. Definitely don't hesitate to stroll by the baby section at Ross. There's tons of profitable items there year round. I picked up this VR Tech toy, not a ton of profit, but there were slim pickings at this store as well, so I figured I wanted to take something. Picked up this SpongeBob dab toy, picked up about 4 or 5 of them. For like $6.99. They're going for around $25. Toys are a bit hit or miss right now. Some of them you can't sell, some of them you can, so I'm not really going too deep, and I'm selling them as quick as possible. Also picked up this Shopkins toy, was the only one there, and I actually already sold it for like 25 bucks. Also check out the clothing. This is like a $200 jacket for $59. They have tons of Nike, Adidas, Columbia, Puma. Oftentimes you can find some really profitable clothing items, so if you're ungated, especially on Amazon, don't hesitate to scan through all the clothes. I also picked up this like hockey jersey for $9.99. They're going on eBay for like 50 bucks sold comps. So decide, hey, let's throw it up on eBay, see what it does. Just finally made it home. Gonna just kind of go through again what I got, a little bit of what I got, just so you guys get a better idea. Yeah, and we got some Michael Trouts. We got some of those Squidward dab on them toys. I mean, how could you not buy this? I mean, come on. We got that hockey jersey. This is going for like sold comps for 50 on eBay. I picked it up for 10. Got this little baby toy from VR Tech, about a $6 profit. Socks, those Adidas socks. Those are from a different day, so don't count those. More shoes, more shoes, more shoes. So yeah, that's pretty much what we picked up today. Not the best haul, but considering I wasn't even planning on doing any RA, not gonna complain. It paid for my trip a few times over, so I'm happy with it. But if you enjoy this type of content, definitely consider joining the family by hitting that subscribe button. And as always, I'll see you on the next video.